Right. All of what's the topic now? The topic is bitwise left shift operator, guys. So so this is the left shift operator symbol, right? 22 left shift 2, guys, 88 is coming. 35 left shift to 2, 140 is coming, like this, right? Now let us see how it executes internally. What is the execution flow internally? We will discuss now, right? What's the first one, guys? 22 left shift to 2, right? 22 left shift to 2, guys. Okay, left shift to 2. Yes, right. Now here first what do we do, sir? First what do we do? First of all, this 22 integer number convert into binary values. Convert into binary values. First of all, we'll do this step, guys. We'll do this conversion. Okay. So what I want now, the 22 I want convert into binary values, right? 22, guys. Okay, 22. Generally, what is the binary number of 22, guys? So generally, we start from where? 1, next to 2, next to 4, next to 8. I'll take up to 8, guys. Is it enough, all of you? Up to 8 is enough, or we should take this number also? Tell me now. I'm saying that up to 8 is enough. Up to 8 is enough to get the 22. Is it enough? We should go with next number also. Tell me now, guys. All of you. See, how can we decide whether it is enough or not? Means sum of these all numbers, sum of these all numbers, sum of these all numbers must be more than 22 or equal to 22, guys. Sum of these all the numbers must be equal to or more than 22. Not possible, right? Because 8 plus 2, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, and 15 only. I'll take next value, double. Next double value means 16, guys. Okay, 16. Yes. Now, now, so all of you observe here, all of you observe. So I'm taking now 16, right? 16 plus 8, how much, guys? 24. 24 plus 4, right? It's exceeding also, right? No problem, guys. What I told you here, sum of these all numbers must be this given number or above given number, no problem. Now, to get the 22, what numbers required, all of you, let me know. To get the 22, what combination required, guys, all of you? From these numbers, to get 22, what combination required? 16 required, plus if I take the 8, for example, 16 plus 8, how much here? 24, exceeding this number, right? What I want now, I want 22 exactly, so it is not required. 16 plus 8, 4, how much? 20, right? 20 plus 2, 22, enough, guys. So 16, 4, 2 required, so 8 is not required, 1 also not required, 1 also not required. All of right, this is the for 22. Now this part is over. Next, left shift to 2 is there. What is the 2, sir? What is the meaning of 2? So how to read this one? Means it is the left shift to 2. It is the left shift to 2, guys. Left shift to 2 means the each value moving two places left side, guys. The each binary value moving two places left side. Left shift 2 means two places left side moving. Two places left side moving after conversion. All of now conversion over, right? Conversion over, guys. Which number? This number conversion over. Then moving two places left side. So two places means what will come of 16? 32 will come, and 64 will come. All of right. Two places means what will come? 32 will come, and 64 will come, right, guys? I'll take those two numbers. What next one comes here? 32 will come. Next, 64 also will come. 64 also will come. Yes, guys. I am taking 32 and 64. Why only those two means? Why only two means? What is the given question there? 16. Sorry, 22 left shift to 2 is there. That's why moving. I want to move two places, right? I want to move two places, guys. Every element, right? Now, all of you observe here. All of you observe. All of you observe here. Now this 2 at 16, what is there, right? 1 is there, moving two places, right? Means this is the one place and second place. So that one coming here, that one coming, guys. That's all. The one which is available here, which is available there, is coming to in this location, guys. All of you. The one from 16 came to where? 64. Oh no, next 0. 0 at 8, place 1, place 2, that 0 coming here. Next, 1 at 4 coming 1, 2. Yes, 2 places, that one is coming. Next, 1 at 2, place 1, place 2, that one coming here. Next, 0, right? Again, place 1, place 2, that 0 coming here. Means, so 1 0 1 0 double 1 0, that is before moving. After moving also 1 0 double 1 0. Yes, same. Yes, is there. The order will not change, guys. Every element will move, right, guys? Every element will move, right? Okay. Now after conversion, after moving, guys, after moving, now wherever the one is there, that integer we sum, guys. After moving, wherever the one is there, that integer we have to move, sum. At 64, one is there. All of you observe. At 64, what is there, right? One is there. Next, at 16 also, what is there? One is there. At 8 also, one is there. Now, sum of these three numbers, all of you. Sum of these three numbers, all of you. 64 plus 16, I think 80. 80 plus 8, 88, guys. Okay, 88. 88. So all of you guys, am I clear for everyone? How to work with the left shift operator? How to work with the left shift means moving, say left shift 2 means moving 2 places left side. Left shift 3 means moving 3 places left side. Left shift 10 means moving 10 places left side. That's all right. Okay, now let's go with one more example, guys. Let's go with one more example. This is one example, right? 22 left shift 2. What's output here? 88 is the output. Okay, 88 is the output, guys. That is what you can observe here, guys. 88 is the output. I'm going with next one also, 35 2. 35 2, guys, all of you. I'm going with 35 2 also. For second example here, 35 left shift to 2. Okay. So first, what do I do? All of you observe. First of all, for this 35, I take the binary values. Okay. Now for 35, tell me all of you. For 35, what is required, guys? All of you. For 35, what is required, guys? So I take the same 1, 2, 4, 8. So this 8 enough, guys, to get that number. I am saying that the sum of these numbers will be 35 or above 35. Right or wrong, all of you? These numbers are enough or required another number also, next number also, all of you. These are not enough. Take the next number also. What next number? Tell me now. What is the next number, guys? All of you. What is the next number? What is the next number? Everybody, please give reply. What is the next number? Next number is 16. Okay, double. That's all. Now these 5 numbers enough, guys, to get 35 above 35. Tell me now. I'm saying that these 5 numbers enough. Sum of these all numbers. Sum of these all numbers is 35 or above 35. Right or wrong? No, not right, not enough, guys. Take next one also, 32. All right. Now, sum of these all numbers will be 35 or above 35 only. 35 or above 35 only. All of you, right or wrong, guys? Tell me now. All of you. Tell me now. So maybe above or equal, guys, but not less than 35, right? Not less than 35. Yes. Now what do I do here? What do I do here? First of all, for 35, I'll take, okay. For 35, guys, I'm going to take the binary values. For what? For 35. Okay, for 35, guys. Yes. So tell me now. To get 35, what required, guys, from here? To get 34 required. So 32 required. 32 plus 2. 34. 34 plus 1, 35. 35, that's all. So 16 not required in this combination. 8 is not required in this combination, 4 also not required. So 32 to 1, that's all, right? That is the which one, guys? 35 over means before the operator, after the operator, right? Now what is over? Before the operator, okay, over. Now what is the operator here? Left shift, and how much here? 2. Left shift 2 means each value will move 2 places, guys. Will move 2 places. Why 2 places? Because of 2, right? Because of 2, guys. Now 2 places means what are the next two numbers, guys? Let me know. What are the next two numbers, all of you? What are the next two numbers of 32? So 64, right? 64, guys. The next one is 128. All of right. 64 and 128, guys, right? 64 and 128. Okay, 128. Now every binary value will move two places. Left side, okay. Left side means this side, guys. Left side means this side. Left right side means this side will move later, okay. But now left side, okay. Now at 32, what is there? That one is there. That one move two places. So place one, place two. So that one came here. This one came to this location, right? 0, right? 0. So after 1 0, right? Now 0 coming here. Again, at 8 0 is there. Place 1, place 2. Here also 0, guys. Again, here also place 1, place 2. Here also 0. Next 1 is there, right? Place 1, place 2. Yes, that one coming here. Again, place 1, place 2. That one coming here. Now see 1 triple 0 double 1. Same 1 triple 0 double 1, guys. After moving, before moving, same order is there. Now wherever one is there, that integer value we have to sum. Wherever one is there, that we sum, right? At 128, one is there. At 8, one is there. At 4 also one is there. All right. Now 128 plus 8 plus 4. How much all of you know? 128 plus 8, I think 136 plus 4, 140 plus 4. How much here? 140, guys, right? 140. That is the output, you can say, right? How much here? 140. Now I'll take this number, guys, because here 4 here. Let us see moving the 4 places. Here also take same, guys. Let's try with this 4. 10 4, guys, right? 10 4. All of you observe. I am going to tell you one more example also. One more example also, guys. Okay. Try to understand 10 left shift to 4. Okay. Left shift 4, guys. So this is the which one? Some third example. 1, 2, 3. Third one. Okay. So first for 10, get the binary values. First of all, for 10, get the binary values. For 10, get the binary values. To get the binary values, I'm saying that, so just 1, 2, 4, 8 enough, guys. All of them right or wrong? To get the 10, this combination is enough, guys. This combination is enough to get the 10. All of you, am right or wrong? Let me know, guys. All of you, am right or wrong, guys? Am right or wrong? Yes, okay. Let me take some distance only, guys. I'll maintain some distance here. Why? Because next we have to take the 4 numbers, right? We should take the 4 numbers next. Now, what do I do here? Now, all of you know to get the 10, what numbers required? 8 is required. 8 is required. Then 2 also required. So 4 not required. 1 also not required, guys. Right? Not required. All of you. Now this 10, this 10 over next left shift 4 is there. Left shift 4, right? That means each value will move 4 places, guys. Okay, 4 places. Means I'll take the 4 next values. Tell me now what are the next 4 values, all of you? What are the next 4 values, guys? What are the next 4 values after 8? Next 4 values means what are those? Take 16, guys. 32, 32, then 64, 64, then 128. Then how much here? Okay, 128 guys. Yes, 128. Now let me take here. I'll take these numbers also with the 100. Right. Now move 4 places, guys. Everything. Now move 4 places, all of you. This one moving 4, right? 4 guys. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That one coming, guys. That one coming here. And next one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 coming here. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. That one is coming here. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 coming here. 1, 0, 1, 0. Here also 1, 0, 1, 0. Now wherever the one is there, that integer with sum. Here one is there, means 128 plus 32. One is there, right? 32 guys. How much, all of you? 128 plus 32. How much now? 130, 160 guys, right? Okay, 160. What is the answer here? 160 is the answer. Now I hope guys everybody understand how to work with the left shift operator. All of let me know guys. Everybody is clear? All of you. I explained 3 examples, guys. I think first example only almost all understand. All of you, right? So see, guys, it's all depends upon the this number, right, guys? Okay, which one? See, initially we take the how much, all of you, for 10 means here for 10 means we take down up to 8 only, guys, right? Up to 8 is enough. 10 means up to 8, right? So 1, 0, 1, 0 came. Now what I want now, I want 4 places left side, guys, moving 4 places. So I have taken the 4 places. Next I have taken the 4 extra places, 4 places left side. Now each one moving 4 places, right? So one first place, second place, third place, fourth place. So that is coming here, all of you. That one coming here, all of you. That one coming here. Which one? This one going here at 128, going there. Next at 0. Next what is there? Right, 0 is there. It's also 4 places. Now this is the 1. This is the 2. This is the 3. This is the 4. 0 coming here. Next, this one, position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4. Yes, coming here. And last one, guys, here. The last one is moving 4 positions, right? Position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4. Yes, that's all. So 128 plus, sorry, this is 0, right? This is 0, guys. 128 plus 32. How much here? 160. Very simple. So all of you guys, all of you, everybody's clear, right? All of you. Okay, right. This is the left shift, guys. Same reverse is the right shift. That's all. See, left shift means, guys, what we do, we keep on increase the values, right? Suppose here 4 is there. I take the next 4 values. Here 5 is there. I take the next 5 values. Because possibility is there, right? Possibility is there. Suppose if 10 is there, I take the next 10 values, because the number is increasing from where? 1 onwards, right, guys? 1 onwards. So here this side ending is there, this side ending is there, but this side no ending, right? This side no ending, guys. Keep on goes. All right. So here one stopped. Now we can't go behind the one, but here we can get a lot of values, guys. Means the left side getting more value, answer getting more value, guys. See, the same example, I'll take the for left right shift. Just observe. I take the right shift, guys. Right shift. You can see how much here? 5 km. Why 5 km? Left side values increasing, guys. Right? Left side values are become bigger values. So is increasing. But right side means the values become very smaller, right, guys? Smaller. That's why the value decreasing, guys. All of you. The same 22 2. If I use the left shift, 8 came. Why? Left side values are increasing. 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 512, 10, 26. Value is increasing, guys. Bigger values come. Right side means going to values right side. Going to values right side. Right side means suppose 8 is there. 8 goes to two sides means 4. It goes down, guys. It goes down. Okay. We'll see some examples here. I'll take some 40. Suppose 44. Right shift to 3, guys. How much came? 5 only came. Some 56. Right shift to suppose 4. How much came here? 3 came. See. So value is decreasing, guys. I take suppose the 88 left shift, right shift to 5. How much here? See, all of you. The value is decreasing, guys. The value is decreasing. The same 88. If I take the right shift, suppose 10, 0 coming. Why 0? Okay, because the value is going right side, guys. Right side limit is there. Right side, a specific boundary is there. What's boundary? 1 is the boundary. We can't go behind the 1. We can't go backside of 1. 1 is the last one. But left side, guys, lot of values increasing, right? Okay, you can see 2 examples, understand, guys. I take same example, 22 2, guys. Already that is done in the left shift, right? And the right shift also, I do same example. Let us see, guys, how it executes. All we will see now. Right. So all of you observe. I take 22 right shift. Sorry, right shift 2, guys. Okay, right shift to 2. 22 right shift to 2, guys. Right. All of you right shift to 2. Yes. Same. First of all, for 22, take the binary values, guys. For 22, take the binary values. To get the 22, what required? I take the 1, guys, then 2, then 4, then 8. All of you, these 4 numbers enough or not enough, guys? To get the 22, combination of these 4, sum of these 4 is enough or not enough? We need one more also. Which one, guys? 16 we need, right, guys? 16 we need. Okay. Now, so get the binary value of 22, guys. Get the binary value of 22. Binary value of 22, guys, right? What binary value of 22 here? 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 2, right? So here 0, guys. Here 0. Now what is over here? 22 over, guys, right? Now right shift to 2 is there. Means each value move 2 places right side. That's all, guys. Each value move 2 places right side. That's all. Okay. Now all of you observe very clearly, guys. All of you observe very clearly. So from here I'm moving now. So how many places? 2 places, right? So coming 1 and 2. That means the 1 moving right side to the which one here, guys? That one came here. That one moving here. 2 places right side. Okay, 2 places right side, guys. That one moving here. Right? Next 0 is there. 0 also moving 2 places. 0 also moving 2 places. Okay, I'll take the a separate number, guys. Color. All of observe. So this one now observe here. Place 1, place 2. So moving here. That 0 came. That 0 came. So 1 0 1 1 0. Same also try now. All of you. What's the order here? General simply in the simple way. 1 0 1 1 0. Now you can take here 1 0 1 1 0. All right. So 1 0 1 1 0. All right. You see the order, guys. If order, this is the order. But here these two are not useful. Why? Because the numbers ended here. Numbers, right? Numbers ended, guys. So now it's coming here, all of you. How much coming here? 1 0 1 only coming. If you want check once here, this one moving 2 places. This one also moving 2 places, guys, right? See, this one also moving 2 places. So place 1, place 2. That's why that one coming here. So moving 1 over, moving 0 over, moving again 1 over. Now I want to move this one, guys. All of you observe. I want to move which one? This one. So position 1, but position 2 is available, not available, because now we're crossing the boundary. So no use, guys. Outside value is not there. The last value 1 only. Going outside, the value is not there, no use. No use, right? So finally, what we say, guys, here? Okay, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 only will come. These two values are not useful, guys. Why? Two places means going outside, right, guys? Going outside, so no useful. Of conversion, where is the 1? At 4, 1 is there. At 1 also 1 is there. At 4, 1 is there. At 1 also 1 is there. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. So output 5 came, guys. All of you are clear, right? Everybody? All of you are clear? Let me know, guys. I take 44, 44, 44, right shift, what is there, guys, here? 3, right? 3 is there, right? 3 is there, guys. First of all, for 44, get the binary value. And to get the 44, what numbers required? So 1 required, 2 required, 4 required, 8 required, 8 required, 16 required. All of you, is this enough or required? Next value also, let me know. Some of these all values will be 44. Is it right or wrong, all of you? So not enough, right? Take next value 32. Okay, take next 32, right, guys? 32. Right, 32, guys. Okay. Now to get the 44, what combination required? 32 required, 32 plus 8, 40, 40 plus 4, 44. So 60 not required, 60 not required, 2 not required, 1 also not required, guys. All of you, am right or wrong, guys? All of them right or wrong? Is it right or wrong, guys? Is it right or wrong? Okay. Now, what I want here, I want to move 3 places right side, guys. Moving 3 places right side. Moving 3 places right side, guys. Now, just guys observe here. At 32, 1 is there. This one going to place 1, place 2, place 3. That one coming here. Which one? This one coming there. After, before the 1, what is there? Before the 1, 0 is there. Before 0, 1 is there. 1 before 1 is there. 1 before 0 is there. 0 before 0 is there. I can take the same order here also. I can take same order, guys, right? Otherwise, you can check once here. Next, what is over now? 1 moving, right? 1 moving over. Next, 0 moving. So place 1, place 2, place 3. That 0 also moving here. 0 also moving over. Next one, guys. Next one is 1 also moving up. So place 1, place 2, place 3. Yes, that one also coming here. All of you. The next one is observe all of observe here. This one, right, moving 3 places. So place 1, all of observe. This moving 3 places, right? So place 1, place 2, place 3. It's going outside, guys. All of you. Actually, here only 2 possibilities are there, but third place means going outside. Going outside. All of right. All of observe here. All of you can observe here. You can observe here. Okay. So place 1 is there. Okay. Place 2 is there. That's all. But place 3 is not there. Going outside, guys. So 1 is not useful. Next. 0 also take 3 places. So place 1, place 2, place 3, no use. Here also place 1, place 2, place 3, no use. No use, guys, right? These 3 no use. Why? They're going out of the boundary. Now, after moving, okay, at 4, 1 is there. At 1 also, 1 is there. Again, guys, 4 plus 1, how much all of you? Again, 4 plus 1, how much here? 5 only. 5 only. So all of let me know, guys. Everybody's clear this one, guys. All of let me know. See, the last one, 0 came. Why 0 came, sir? You can observe, guys. Very simple. This is very, very simple, guys. That is very, very simple. The last one, 0 came. Why 0 came, sir? First of all, for 88, get the binary value. For 88, get the binary value. For 88 means 1 required, 2 required, 4 required, 8 required, all of you. 16 required, 32 required, 64 also required, and all of you let me know. This enough, guys, or one more value required, next one required, all of you. Let me know these are enough. Or one more value required, guys. Right? Enough. Okay. Enough, guys. Now to get the 88, what combination required? Remember, to get the 88, what combination required, guys? To get the 88, what combination required? For 64 required, 64 plus 32, how much all of you? 96, right? No, it's exceeding the range. 64 plus 16, how much? 70, 80, right? 80, guys. 80 plus 8, 88, that's all. Now, 32 is not required, 4 not required, 2 not required, 1 also not required. Now, so what I want now, I want to move 10 places outside, guys. 10 places right side. Take it now. So place 1, place 2, place 3, place 4, place 5, place 6, 7, 8, and going outside. The first value only going outside means second value compulsory will go outside, guys. Third also will go outside. All go outside, guys. All will go out of the range only. So here there is no one to sum. There is no one to sum. Here one is there. You can sum. You can add the values. One is you can add the integers. But here there is no one to add you. That's why output is 0. All of you clear, right? Why output 0 means all values going outside the range, guys. Even single value also not within the range. All going outside the range. So all of you guys, everybody clear these operators, right? These operators, guys, are not useful in interview, guys. Almost I never seen that these are asking in interview, but I explained, guys, for gaining the knowledge. Okay, this bitwise operators are actually not required for us, guys. They explained here because of gaining the knowledge. Okay, that's right. So fine, guys, these all are the operators. These all are the operators, guys. So till now, whatever completed, guys, till now, whatever completed is the content of assignment 1, guys. Assignment 1 content. Till now, till today, whatever is done up to operators is the part of the content assignment 1. Up to which one, guys? All of you, up to operators from the beginning day onwards, from the history onwards, from history, right? All of you from history. Okay, first concept history topic, right, guys? History to operators, guys, is the syllabus of which one? Syllabus of the content of the assignment 1, guys. Content of assignment 1. Assignment 1. So all of you see this assignment, guys, will be okay, 50 marks, guys. For the 50 marks, it's for the 50 marks, all of you 50 marks. Okay, so your marks others will not see, guys. I'll give the one form link. Okay, online link, guys, online Google form link. Click that link, form will open. All multiple choice questions, guys. All multiple choice questions. Okay, select anyone out of four, select anyone, like that 50 questions are there. Once if you submit the form, then immediately it gives you how many marks you got. Means it corrects your answers, guys. What is the right answer? If any wrong is there, it shows you what is the right answer. You get the number of marks you got also, like 30 by 50 or 40 by 50, 50 by 50, like that also it comes, guys. Okay, so actually I told that every Saturday will be assignment, guys. Assignment every Saturday, because last week that's first Saturday no assignment, right? And festival also came. This time, guys, assignment is there. But tomorrow, Saturday, and also our batch is evening batch, guys. Our batch is evening batch. Saturday evening batch, and also 9-10 batch means I hope, guys, so many will not attend the class tomorrow because of weekend, right, guys? Weekend. That's why tomorrow, guys, we'll take the assignment in the morning time, guys. Just to join the class, I'll share the link. I'll give the some directions for 10-20 minutes, guys, for 5-10 minutes, and start writing. That's all. So what do you say, guys? Tomorrow we'll take the morning. Tomorrow morning at what times are? At what times are? Early morning, guys. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. I love you. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. guys. 7 a.m. It takes 7 to 7:40. That's all. 7:40. That's all, guys. Maximum 7:40 only. 7:40 a.m. 7 to 7:40 a.m. guys. So because guys here before 7 o'clock, okay, before 7 o'clock, you may ask me 6 o'clock, but for me, Python class is there. Before 7, Python class is there, guys. After 7:40 means after 8, again I have the Django class. I have only this time free time, guys. Tomorrow Saturday, this time free time only, guys. All of you. So I'll give the drive link. I'll give the Google form link, guys. I'll give the Google form link, guys. Okay, just what you do. See, no need to write at this time only, guys. You can write whenever you are free. All of you can write in the evening time. I'll share the link in the morning. In the morning, suppose some are having the college, right? Some are having the college, guys. Some are having the office time, right? So what happens in the lunch time, in the evening time, you can write the assignment, guys. I think you got my point, right? All of you. You got my point, right? In the evening time, at the afternoon time, whenever you have the chance, at that time, open the form and read the assignment. But remember, once if you open the assignment, you should write compulsorily. All of remember this point. Once you open the assignment, you should write compulsorily. It won't open the second time, guys. I think, okay. So open, just join the morning class, guys, and write the assignment in the class. It is better, guys. If anybody unable to write in the morning, any other work is there, then so tomorrow I share the link in the WhatsApp also, guys. In the afternoon time, evening time, you can write, no problem. All clear, right? All of you. So it's better, guys. Taking the morning is better tomorrow. At in the evening, morning is better, guys. Okay. And so tomorrow assignment, guys. Sunday no class. Monday onwards, guys, we start the main important topic of the Python, guys. Up to now, all basics over, guys. Up to now, all basics over. All basics are. Monday onwards, we start the data structures topic. Which one? All of Monday onwards, data structures we start, guys. Don't skip the classes from Monday onwards. Very, very, very important topic from Monday onwards, guys. I love you. Okay. I told you that I'll share the assignment tomorrow morning, but again, someone asking me, sir, how to get the assignments, sir? What I told you, tomorrow morning, join the class, guys. Tomorrow morning at this time, join the class. Join the class normally. Join the class. In the class, I'll share the link. In the class, I'll share the link. That's all. In the class, I'll share the link. All of you. Same class link here. This is the class link. This link only use tomorrow, guys. This link only use that tomorrow morning. This link only use that tomorrow morning. Assignment duration. See, I told you here how much gap is there. 40 minutes. That's the assignment duration. I told that 7 to 7:40 minutes. This is the assignment duration, right? Okay. See here, for this one, I told the answer very loudly, guys. What is the question here? Sir, those who are unable to attend the morning session, what to do, sir? I told you minimum 4-5 times, sir. What I told you, if you're unable to attend the morning class, morning session tomorrow, I'll share the class, I'll share the assignment link in the WhatsApp for all the people. Whenever you are free in the daytime, evening time, night time, tomorrow, write the assignment, submit me, that's all. All of you, okay? Right.